How to download Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to download the Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown game on your Android, then the process is quite easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Play Store. In the search bar appearing on the screen, type in Prince of Persia and search. Look for this game from Ubisoft Entertainment and tap on install to begin downloading the app on your Android. Now the game will take a while to download. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and the download process will begin. All you need to do now is to wait for the application to install on your device and you'll be good to go. So that is how you download and install Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown on your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.